Are you going to have only rasgullas? Sorry? You will have more things other than rasgulla, right? But yes, you will have more rasgulla. So probably somebody who likes rasgulla will have more rasgulla. But rasgulla can't be your only food. And you can't have it every time. So I think just like in a meal, you can't have one thing. I think similarly with your wealth. You clearly need to diversify. And for most people, a combination of debt and equity is something that is more than enough. What that combination, how much debt, how much equity is a matter of personal choice. How many people invest in balanced funds? Sorry? So balanced funds are again something very few people invest in. Balanced funds are funds that do 70-75% in equity, 25-30% in debt. Much more steadier returns than equity funds, and obviously because they are steadier, they are lower than equity funds. You take less risk, but you get more steady returns. Real estate is a very large investment. So the house that you stay in, is that an investment? Why? Of course you can sell. Why can't you sell? Sorry? I'll sell and go back to my village. No? How many people feel that the house that you stay in is an investment? It's an investment. It is? Okay. So, very frankly, for financial planning, we don't take the house we stay in as an investment, because very rarely will it happen that you will sell it and do something. It is like personal jewelry, right? A personal jewelry, whilst it is valuable, you are unlikely to sell it unless there is a catastrophe. Something similar with your house that you stay in.
It is saying, the 100 gana night tikana.
Sorry?
The 100 gana, 100 times jewelry is nothing than one house.
Then one house. Okay. Exactly. So in a catastrophe, it is very useful, right? But otherwise, it's not really an investment. I think gold is like achar, right? If you like achar, have a little more. If you don't, okay, just take a little. But I think in India, you need a little bit of gold. Because anyways, when we accumulate, we will use it for something, at least for social occasions. Okay, so this is the last thing that we are going to do, and this probably is not the right question in this audience. Is there anyone here who has a two-wheeler? Is there anybody who has a two-wheeler? Nobody? Okay, good. I have a two-wheeler. Okay, let's say your two-wheeler costs 50,000 and I am going to put 1 zero to it. How many people have a car? Okay, so let's say your car costs 5 lakhs, right? So what is the insurance value on that? What is the insurance premium you pay on that? Sorry? Roughly 10,000, right? So I'm just add a zero to this, right? Now you get a policy for 10,000 rupees for a car worth 5 lakhs, right? What happens if you don't make a claim? What happens if you don't make a claim? In a car insurance you get a bonus, which means what? Next year your premium goes down. But what happens to the 10,000 rupees that you paid? Sorry? It's gone. Why invest in a policy where your money premium goes waste? Why?
Compulsory.
तो मैं आपको उससे better policy देता हूँ. Let me give you a better policy. Okay? I'll give you a car insurance policy that if you don't claim, will not only return back your premium, it will also give you a little bit above that. Would you invest in that?
Yes.
Everybody?
Yes.
Everybody?
The premium is same.
Sorry?
The premium is
No
same.
claim bonus.
Premium can't be the same.
So,
Premium is not the same.
it depends on how much
No
premium you
claim
charge.
bonus you get.
No claim bonus just reduces the premium. So the premium for the policy that you get back okay, is 2,20,000. This was 10,000, right? This will be 2,20,000, and if you don't make any claim, you get back 2,20,500 rupees. Okay, which means you get back 500 rupees more than what you invested. If you don't make a claim, which is likely. So will you invest? Sorry?
Why not?
You will. Okay? Why not? You're getting back your money and you're getting insurance.
After 10 years, the inflation.
नहीं एक साल की बात हो रही है ना सर, ये तो गाड़ी की तो एक ही साल की बात हो रही है.
You will make more money if you invest properly.
What do you mean?
For example, if I get 10% return,
हाँ.
I will get 22,000 rupees. So I rather pay 10,000 and save additional 12,000.
Exactly. So what is happening here? I could take this 10,000 rupee policy and I will get something, this will go waste. Instead of paying 220, what is the insurance company doing? 10,000 rupees it is using for the insurance policy, balance is 2,10,000, and if you don't make a claim, it returns back 2,20,500, which means it's a 5% return on your investment, right? As this gentleman said, instead of putting this 220 here, if I pay this 10,000 and put that 2,10,000 in a bank fixed deposit, that will give me much more than 2,20,500. Correct? So this policy makes no sense, right? Right? That is because the premium is too high, right? Let me give you a premium that is cheaper. This is too high. Okay, let me give you a premium that is cheaper. So add a zero. The premium is 22,000, and if you don't make a claim, you will get back 22,050 rupees back for a car that costs 5 lakh. Yet this policy everybody will take. Sir? Yes? Sir? You will take? Sir?
I didn't get the question. 22,000 is the
22,000 is the premium, and you will get back 22,050 if you don't make a claim. Will you buy? You will buy. How is it the same concept, sir? This was 2,20,000. You have to add a zero here as well. So everybody will buy this? Okay, as usual there is a trick in this. The insurance is, if the vehicle is stolen, you will get back only 50,000 rupees. It covers the vehicle only 10%. अब खरीदेंगे? नहीं. Because it is nothing but this, right? So this policy makes no sense. It's the same thing. On your money you are getting back 5%. So this policy makes no sense, right? Does everybody agree? Yeah? It is a rip-off, right? You won't buy it. Sure. So, okay, how many people have endowment policies, money back policies, child policies? How many people have? Come on, I'm sure a lot of people have. I mean, even I have, right? Each of those policies, all those policies are these. All your insurance policies with investments essentially give you a return of about 5, maximum 6%. And they don't give you, yes sir. Sorry sir? You are not a relationship manager. Okay. I think the job of a relationship manager seriously is to make sure that you get the best product. So does this mean insurance is not good? A good insurance plan is a plan that you hope to God your premium goes completely waste. You don't, an insurance plan that will pay only on an event that you don't want to happen is a good insurance policy. In fact, The reason this is there in an investment workshop is because one of the surest way to reduce your debt is by, within inverted commas, investing in insurance. A good insurance policy is a wasteful insurance policy.
इंश्योरेंस नहीं हुए चलान हो जाएगा.
Sorry?
इंश्योरेंस अगर नहीं हुए चलान
तो
हो जाएगा.
इंश्योरेंस तो लेना ही है सर.
You pay more.
इंश्योरेंस तो लेना ही है सर. मैं बोल रहा हूँ इंश्योरेंस ऐसा लें जिसमें अगर कोई क्लेम नहीं आए, यही आप चाहते हैं. कोई पैसा आपको न मिले, आपका प्रीमियम कंप्लीटली वेस्ट हो जाए, ऐसी इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी अच्छी पॉलिसी होती है. जहाँ पे आपको समय खत्म होने पर, कोई पर्टिकुलर एज रीच करने पर पैसा मिलता है, वो सारी पॉलिसीज ये टाइप की है. वहाँ पे द रिटर्न इज return is very low. It's 5 to 6%. In fact, any policy you pick up, you break it up between the insurance and the investment element, and the investment element you put it in a PPF, you are likely to get a much better return, and you're likely to also cover yourself fully for the insurance, rather than just cover a small part of what you are really worth. So that, I think, we quickly go through whatever we wanted, whatever we have learned today, which is basically finalize and prioritize your goals, take inflation into account. When looking at large numbers, please calculate the return percentage. Safe investments can't protect the purchasing power of your money. Short-term and ultra-short-term debt mutual funds are safe and tax-friendly. Fixed maturity plans again are safe and tax-friendly. SIP in equity mutual funds over long-term creates wealth, but they are boring. But I personally feel that boring plus predictable equal to wealthy is far superior than sexy plus unpredictable equal to poor. You need to start investing as quickly as possible. Start investing today. Need to balance your investment. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. And never mix insurance and investments. And if you can't, these are fairly simple rules that we have. But if you can't do this on your own, you can take the help of professional financial planners. Okay? The help of your relationship managers. A lot of them would be professional planners as well. I think a lot of banks are doing that now. Take their help, but make sure that you don't commit these mistakes. To make sure that you make friends with money.